Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to work with editors to create a HTML file.
Let's watch this amazing video.
Many editors are available in internet. Which editor to use to create a HTML file? In this tutorial, I'll show some of the important editors. First of all, I'll show Notepad. Generally, I'll just copy and paste the code related to HTML. I'll not explain this code. In upcoming tutorial, I'll explain clearly. So we'll see how it was working and how the output was working. So why I taken the Notepad first of all? Because generally we'll use Notepad to type something text. So in Notepad also we can execute HTML file. It was very easy when compared to other editors. So if you need like graphical content while working in the editors, you need like colors and everything. So Notepad plus plus is the best editor, one of the best editor you can see here. So again I'm copying and pasting the code and I'm saving, and you can see the color of the editor, that is like which color of every tag you can see here. So that is can be called as a Notepad plus plus. If you need like the color of tag and everything, so Notepad plus plus is the best editor. You can see, observe the color and just execute in Chrome. If you need Internet Explorer, of course you can see the output. So these are the two editors which is very important, and I am using a Visual Code also, because really guys, I love to use Visual Studio. I don't know why guys, because in Visual Studio you can see the structure of file and everything. So it's like a black color of that. I don't know why I love this editor. So in upcoming tutorials I'm going to use this editor. So yes, you can see the colors, everything you can see, and just run the code and you can see the output in Chrome, of course. In what browser you are using, I already done in before tutorial which browser you are using. And next editor which is called Sublime. This is also one of the best editors, so many members are using. You can see the Sublime editor. Generally I'm not installed in my laptop, so I'm showing in website. So these all editors website links I'll keep in description. Just follow and download which editor you love, that's it. Here I'm saying just like another editor which is called Atom. This is also one of the best web editor. Just download that. So I'll keep the link in description, no need to worry. So it is, Atom is also like a folder structure. So in folder you can keep like files and everything. In, of course, in Visual Studio also you can see that folder structure, and you can search and you can directly push into Git, and you can do like wonders in Visual Studio Code, because I support Visual Studio Code. That's why I'm saying more and more about Visual Studio Code. So in one of the main thing what I love in Visual Studio Code, generally if you want to install any package, you can see here C++ package, Python package, you can install very easily. In this tutorial I shown like some of the important editors, like 5 web editors only. If you know another editors you can use, of course it is all about your interest. And but in upcoming tutorials again I'm specifying that I'm using Visual Studio, that's it. If you want to use, you can, of course the link was available in description of 5 editors. If you want to use any editor you can use. I'll come with another tutorial which is how to use CodePen. What is CodePen? Everything I'll explain in upcoming tutorial. Stay tuned for next tutorial.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share